Okay, so I want to talk to you about a natural penis enlargement technique that you probably never heard of before because it's not on TV, because yeah, it's that political shit. But it's basically called Phalogenics, and if you click the link below this video, it'll take you to their website, not what you're seeing on the screen because this is like the older site. The link below will take you to an actual video presentation that will answer all these questions like how it works, how big can you get, is it real, are there actual testimonials of people who have used this, what do women think, all that type of shit. Excuse me, all that type of shit. And the best part about it is the thing that made me comfortable with this is there's a 60-day money back guarantee. Now there's forums out there, there's a bunch of other YouTube videos, there's pills, there's pumps, all that shit, but none of it comes with a money back guarantee because they know their shit doesn't work. You know what I mean? That's as a person who's become an online shopper, that's one of the things that makes me feel safe when I'm buying anything. Is there a money back guarantee? Because if not, you don't believe in your product. You know what I mean? You know if somebody believes in their product if they let you have it for a while, test it out so that you can see that it gets results. And if it doesn't get results, you get your money back. Pretty simple. And there's like no hoops to jump through if you want to get your money back. It's just, hey, I want my money back. You get your money back. It's simple. So that's the thing that made me sign up. The science, however, let me know that this shit actually works. You see what I'm saying? And then the techniques are easy to use. You can do that shit in the comfort of your own home within a few minutes. And then it's easy. As long as you're consistent, you get results. You know what I mean? So that's the beauty of it. Now click the link below this video. I won't talk your head off. Click the link below this video because that's a long video. You need to get started with that now and find out for yourself. Make your own educated decision after you've heard what he has to say. And then if you don't like it, you get your money back within 60 days, or you have 60 days to try the product, and you get your money back if you don't like it. All right. So thank you folks for watching. Hopefully you find everything you're looking for. Good luck. Don't forget, link below this video take you to the presentation and you can watch that whole thing yourself to have all your questions answered. Alright, so thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.